Let's teach you how to correctly rush your base. Hello guys. So this is a this is a series where we teach you how to rush. Like we would try to give you tips and useful suggestions so that you can implement on your own game while you play. While if you have any plans to rush or you have any rushed account, this can be really helpful. Uh, so what is starting with the first question, which is what is rushing? So what is rushing first of all? Rushing is when you do not upgrade everything on your base and keep upgrading your town hall. Lot of people keep rushing because a lot of people think that rushing, the aim of the game is to keep upgrading your town hall and unlock new things fast, but the aim of the game is different for everyone. Some people might choose to rush, some people might not choose to rush, so it's everyone's personal opinion. But if we see the stats, a rushed base does not show consistency, as in people do not tend to upgrade all the defenses because it would require a lot of time to do so. So this is the concept of rushing. Like you might be in a clan which cannot donate what you want, or you might have to rush an account in order to donate high level troops, in order to unlock troops like electro dragons, yetis, or you might have to unlock the siege machines. You might have to build your own siege machines, and you might want to cook super troops that you can donate or you can use them by yourself. So this is a guide where we will tell you how to rush, and along with a few suggestions. Uh, so coming back to, I have another layout which gives me a clear idea of all the things that we have to consider. I will I will drop the link in the description of how to get this layout on your home, on your own village. So here we have the most important thing about rushing is that you need to have a purpose. There is no way that you can rush without a valid purpose, because if you keep just rushing without any purpose, and then after a point you will just lose interest on the game because it's not interesting anymore. Because after a point you will just run out of resources, and then you will not have enough good enough troops to gain back those resources, and then you will just go bankrupt on your account. So I would recommend you not to rush if you don't have any proper purpose on why you're rushing. So do not do that, it's not encouraged, because people will just lose interest on the game and stop playing because it's so hard to fix the rush. So it is like this. So what you can do is, so what you have, so if you see me, I have if you look at my defenses, I have level 1 archer towers, level 1 cannons and all. So what you can see here is that I stopped upgrading these, I think at town hall level 5 or 6. Then I went for unlocking the electro dragons, which I required for donation and all. But then later I got what I wanted. Then I my another aim was to get the siege also, and I upgraded my siege twice, and now I have stone slammer also. So this is where I stand with my base. And then if you look at my resources, the level of resources is pretty low. I would tell you that it's not very important or necessary to upgrade all your resources. Like as you see, my resources are not maxed to town hall level 12. So what you can see here is, because in my case I'm an active farmer, I'm an active player, so I never have any problem with my loot. And if you are someone who does not come online very often what you can consider doing is upgrading all your elixir collectors and all to the max level of your town hall. And another basic thing of why people should rush is to unlock the the strong troops you for the donation. And then I did so, but it wasn't very easy. Let me tell you that it's not very simple to fix your rush, because you're trying to do a lot of things, like you're trying to do everything together which you would have done over time if you had upgraded all your defenses, and if you had upgraded one by one everything, walls and all. So here, and you see that my walls are also, for being a rush player, they're pretty high level walls, level 9 walls almost. So this happens because I spend all my gold, absolutely all my gold, on this on the walls. So that is why my walls are like this. And then another thing which, as we go along with this rushing how to rush a base series, you will discover multiple tips. You could consider this as an intro for how do we begin, how do we start rushing. I would always recommend you to have an intent before you rush, because rushing is not something very simple, because rushing requires a lot of dedication towards the game, and rushing requires you to put in a lot of time and effort in the game. So it's not very simple. Always keep asking yourself of what is your intent when you start rushing. My intent was, in my case, my intent was really clear. I had to get the siege, and I had to get my electro dragons, and now I even have the yetis. And now if I upgrade my town hall again, but I do not have any plans to do so, but I would get the new troop dragon rider too. So so this is where it is. And now that CWL is approaching, I expect this account to be participating in CWL, so I have started to upgrade my defenses too. And then it's working out well. I will give you tips and suggestions over time in multiple videos, because this being the intro. Thank you guys, thanks a lot.